Sport is part of the DNA of the University of Stirling.
We're already setting standards in Scotland, nationally and internationally as well.
And it's important that we have facilities that match the quality of the performances of our elite athletes, but are also fit for purpose in terms of recreational sport and for the staff and students of the university.
I think this redevelopment is really going to enhance the student experience. What we're going to see is not just a refurbishment of what we currently have, but really an enhancement of the facilities.
So this development that we're doing today, and we're working on over the next few months and be complete in 2020, will bring the quality of the infrastructure up to the quality of the performances that we see from our staff and students.
Whether that's our performance athletes who are preparing for the Olympics, Commonwealth Games, European Championships, or indeed those students, staff and community who just want to get involved, keep well, keep healthy and be part of something brilliant here at the University of Stirling.